Okay, so dito tayo sa part 3 ng ating live unboxing. So I'm very excited also to see the latest version of the Coswheel T20. This is the T20 Pro, the upgraded version of the Coswheel T20. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga updates sa ginawa nila dito. So let's go! So the Coswheel T20 is finally back. One notable upgrade na nakikita natin dito sa ating T20 Pro is the hydraulic brakes. No? So yung dati nating Coswheel T20, disc brakes lang. Pero nakikita natin ngayon yung upgrade na yung Coswheel, yung brakes ng T20, yung hydraulic brakes na. So this is much safer, gives you much confidence when you bring it on the road. But same design, same setup, naka-full suspension pa rin siya, harap, pakalikod, at meron na siyang rear rack na kasama. Yung T20 before, wala rin rear rack. So nalagyan siya ng TV, no? Meron na siyang rear rack. T20, no? So dati, ang power ng motor niya is 500 watts. Pero ngayon, according to Coswheel, it's now 1,000 watts. No? So I think this one is rated. So I think the peak power of this one is maybe around 1,500 or 2,000 watts. So lumakas na rin ang power niya. But still 48 volts. So the top speed is still around 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. So this is the legendary Coswheel T20. Before it was named as FTN T20. Doon sila sa Mika. Ito yung nagpasikat sa Coswheel. By the way, FTN is a Chinese brand of the T20. But since nagkaroon sila ng investments from a Western company, I think it's a US company, that's why they renamed it into Coswheel. So now it's called the Coswheel T20. So still removable. So para matanggal yung battery ng T20, kailangan yung saddle niya nakatanggal. Kasi another lock yung saddle niya. Still the removable nuclear reactor battery of the Coswheel. So this one nga pala is 28H. Yes. So before yung Coswheel T20 natin is 15AH. Actually nag-start sa 10AH. Then in-upgrade natin to 15AH. Now, it's already 20AH. This one is medyo may kataasan lang ang ating costly T20. Pero sa mga bikers, mas gusto nila yung ganito na mataas kasi in terms of pedaling mas convenient siya, mas comfortable. Our costly T20 is made more for pedal assist, for biking. Although pa yun rin siyang gamitin for full electric, meron din siyang throttle dito. So may full electric mode din siya. Pero really, yung mga customers namin na kumuha nito is more really enthusiastic sa biking. They like fat tires. Very comfortable kasi ang ating costly T20. Meron siyang suspension dito sa likod, sa harap. Yung seats niya, very comfortable din. Similar to the others. So, meron pa rin tayong kasamang dito na bike lock. Meron din tools. Meron din phone holder. So, as standard. An additional freebie is the rear rack here. No? So, yung mga gusto ng T20 dyan, hindi na kailangan bumili ng rear rack aftermarket. So, ito naman yung kanya charger. So, it's still 48 volts, 3 amps charging. Charging time nito is around 4 to 5 hours or maybe 6 hours kasi tumaas yung battery niya, lumaki. Naging 28 inch na siya. But still comfortable or still convenient, no? Kasi removable battery siya. So, pwede ka mag-charge anywhere. Sa bahay, sa office, or pwede rin hindi na tabiling ng battery kung mag-charge siya. Pwede mag-charge siya rin kayo direction. So, kung ayaw niya tanggalin, pwede naman takotin na lang. So, we're done. So, this is our new Crosswheel T20. We call it the Pro version because of the jacked up motor and additional hydraulic brakes. So just a recap. So motor power is rated at 1,000 watts. So we're assuming the peak power is around 1,500 to 2,000 watts. And the battery is now 48 volts, 28 inch, which gives you the range of up to 60 kilometers on full electric. Or if you use the pedal assist mode, it can go up to 120 kilometers. The top speed is around 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. Still having the 7-speed Shimano gear shifter. We have the control switch here, power button, the lights, the horn, then the signal lights over here. So still having the dual suspension setup, the front and the rear suspension. Then we have LED lights here at front. We have rear lights here at the back. Brake lights or signal lights. No? Yan, yung controller niya nandito sa baba. So actually, kung kinulang kayo sa battery, pwede kayong magpa-build ng additional battery, pwede nyo ilagay dito. So nag-build din kami ng additional battery for Crosswheel T20. Yan. So let's try naman. Power on. Okay, ganda na ng screen yan. Now it's having the color TFT screen. Bago talaga. First time ko lang try the screen ito. So let's try pedal assist mode 1. 15 kph. Speed mode 2. 25 kph. Speed mode 3. 34 kph. Mode 4, 44 kph. Speed mode 5, 53.8 kph. Ang sarap ng pwede niya. So those asking, kano na yung coffee break? So good news, kasi we didn't increase the price. It's still around 69,800 SRP. Then meron pa rin tayong 5% discount pag cash payment. Then pag credit card, we still offer the 0% interest up to 24 months with PNB credit card. We also accept other credit cards, video, BPI, for straight charge. Meron din tayong online link via PayMongo. So if you're outside of Metro Manila, you can still order the Cosmo P20 for us. And then we still have that 1-year warranty, free PMS up to 6 months, no? Or 1,000 kilometers. So I think that caps off our live unboxing today. So thank you for joining us. And if you want to see and feel and experience the actual units, feel free to visit us here in our shop in Guido Rodriguez. Again, the address is Don Graciano Building 1180, Guido Rodriguez Senior Avenue, Quezon City. So come and visit us. See you.